Hello guys, it's nice to meet you again. Today I'm gonna ride Cebu Pacific Air, flight 5J-813 from Manila bound to Singapore. Anyway, gue udah ada Instagram, jangan lupa follow gue ya. So here we go inside the cabin. Cebu Pacific is budget airline with all economy type seat, and the best feature is you're gonna have USB power on each seat in front of you. So forget your power bank, just bring along your cable power of course. So this USB power is only applied to A321 Neo from Airbus. So pastiin lu udah tahu jenis pesawatnya sebelum terbang ya. Dan untuk table tray-nya kayak gini doang, just a simple and just typical economy type of table tray. Not that big, I think it's fit to your 13 inches of laptop. For the seat pocket, you're gonna have a menu book for the meals and beverages that you can buy during your flight. Better to book it online. Briefing passenger card for Airbus A321 Neo, and this is Smile magazine published by the airlines every month. And airbag sickness or vomit bag or whatever you name it. So the seat pocket is just typical budget airlines. Okay guys, so that's it. I will bring you to the takeoff session after this. So you're gonna see the altitude, the speed during the takeoff, and of course to let you experience what I hear when the engine is roaring, throttling. So I will be a little bit down the music volume. Anyways, check it out. I will be back after the takeoff. Thank you. Enjoy. Okay, that was for the takeoff. Suara mesinnya benar-benar nggak berisik saat takeoff tadi kan. Dan ini nyaman banget buat lo yang pengen tidur begitu dari pesawat. Karena gue pernah ngalamin yang namanya lagi capek-capeknya, lagi ngantuk-ngantuknya, tapi gue udah harus terbang. Dan gue pasti bakalan kebangun ketika takeoff terjadi. Dan kalau lo naik dengan pesawat dengan mesin yang seperti ini, gue yakin sih tidur lo nggak akan terganggu walaupun dalam posisinya lagi takeoff. Well, anyway, engine details I put it in the description, so you can Google it if you want to see more details. Enjoy this video till the end. I have lavatory inspection at the end of the video. This video was taken a few months ago, kira-kira akhir Januari. I was not able to upload straight away because I get busy with the work as coronavirus has pushed us to work from home. So I really get stuck in the Philippines. Anyway, just stay safe, maintain social distancing, jaga jarak ya, wash your hand frequently, jangan lupa untuk selalu cuci tangan, especially if you went from the outside. If you have fever, cough, and difficulty breathing, just please seek medical care as soon as possible. That's it for now. See you on another video. See you on another day off. Bye bye. Take care everyone.